What is up guys, Alex here at the Samsung Galaxy Buds Life, and in this video I am going to empty out this entire water bottle on these pair of headphones. Now keep in mind that these headphones are certified by Samsung IPX2 water rating, but nowhere on the website they recommend for you to do a water test like this. We're just doing it so you guys can see a water test and to see if the headphones do survive. I'm gonna do a quick sound test so you guys can hear the headphones, but yeah, without further ado, let's get on into the video. Alright guys, now let me show you guys that these headphones are actually working, and I love the sound of these headphones. They sound amazing in my opinion. But yeah, let's just go on into the sound test in 3, 2, and 1. So that was the right side. Now let's do the left side so you guys see that both sides are working. Again, the sound quality is honestly amazing. But let's go to the left side. 3, 2, and 1. And as you guys can see, they sound like the best quality I've seen in headphones, like basically on par with the AirPods Pro. They sound amazing, they work. But now, for the moment you have been waiting for, the water test. Alright guys, let's see if the Samsung Galaxy Buds Live can survive this extreme water test. I'm dying to see if they can survive. So let's go. 3, 2, wait, I want to make sure you guys can see it properly. 3, and there it is. I'm gonna this entire half of this bottle. Go, I want to get it right in where the sound comes out of. Right where the sound comes out of. So, and that's about half the bottle. Now I'm going to take the right side out and then leave the left side right here. And then this is the right side, as you guys can see. I'm just going to take it and I'm just going to dump all this water where the sound comes out of. Right here, as you guys can see. Just on top of the headphones, and then do another sound test right there, and that's pretty much it. So here is the water bottle. This entire area is full of water. I'm just gonna put that in there and take this towel right here and dry the area. I'm gonna move this off to the side, and then after I'm done drying the table, I'm gonna dry off the headphones. So here we go. And now that the table is dry these headphones off. This is the right side, by the way, in case you guys were wondering. I just poured all the water where the sound comes out of in the headphones, and I honestly want to see if they do survive or not. So I'm pretty sure these are fully dried right now. Now let's do the left side. The left side is right here. Haven't touched it since I poured all the water on it. Let's go. Let's dry this thing off. As you guys can see, it is right there. Now, this being, since I'm just done this will be being the second water test, since my dad has already done a water test on his channel. Basically the same thing, poured half the bottle on one side and then the other half on another side. Now, I haven't seen if they survived for myself yet, so I'm just want to see it with you guys as well. But we're going to see that out in a sound test, and I'm honestly dying to see if they survive, so I'm just going to keep on drying it here. So here we go. 3, 2, and 1. Left side, this again was the right side, worked fine. The left side I haven't yet seen, so let's go for the left side. And it looks like both sides are working properly. I was kind of scared that these headphones would not survive the water test, since my dad already Remember, this water test is so you guys have a precaution in case you get caught up in the rain and you're wearing these headphones. Remember not to put the headphones while they're wet back in the charging case. This could potentially break the charging case and you may not be able to use your headphones again. So again, this is a fair warning. Now, if you do have these headphones and it's raining outside, you can still wear them while it's raining. Just don't put it back in your case until you know that the headphones are fully dried. Leave a link in the description below, me explaining basically a review, in-depth review of these headphones, talking about their battery, the water rating a little bit more, the noise cancellation, basically all the features that these headphones bring. If you guys want to know more about that, that link will be in the description. But yeah, this video has come to an end. Hope you guys really enjoyed this video. I really appreciate it if you guys would leave a like and subscribe and turn on bell notifications. And yeah, I'll see you guys later. Peace out.